Okay, let's continue with distance and displacement graphically. We'll try to explain the difference because some of you say, oh, it doesn't make sense. It's still distance. Okay. Explain to them distance and displacement. And when they go over displacements, they say, oh, no, it's still distance. Actually, it's a big difference between distance and displacement. So I give you graphically explaining to distance and displacement. So you and me, we will figure out uh, locations here for different points. So let's say that we move from origin, okay, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to positive, towards positive direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stop by here, okay. Okay. Then we'll move back to this direction here. So this is our trip. Let's do that here. So first, we start to move from the origin point here. Let's make it with the arrow. Let's with the arrow. Yeah. From origin point, and we stop by here. Then in the way back, we moved from our position here, move back to this position. Okay. Let's say this is O. Usually they call this O. And this is A. And then this is B. The final position. We stop by here. Now we want to find the difference between the distance and displacement. So distance. First, let's explain distance. Explain distance here in purple. Okay? Explain distance in purple. We move from O to A. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care about the sign. I don't care about direction. And then we move back and we stop by B. How many units we move back? 1, 2. So stop by here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We moved 6 units. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So the distance is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. This is the distance. But when you're going to go over displacement, it will be different displacement. Displacement. We start from O, go into A in positive direction. So we have to mention direction with displacement from 0 to, from O to A. O, we add this O to A. And then we move from A to B, from A to B. From O to A, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4, but it's positive. You have to mention direction. Positive 4. Plus. Then we move from A to B. How many units? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Towards negative. This will be negative 6. So positive 4 plus negative 6. Positive 4, you move to the right. Negative 6, you move to the left. Then displacement will be, you add positive 4 to negative 6. So the difference between 4 and negative 6, negative 2. And this is our displacement. Look at our position. It's in here. And it's really 2 units to the left of the origin point. That's displacement, to know the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, this is another example here, and I guess you could know it here. Okay, from O to B, from O to B, then from B to C, from B to C. Find total distance and displacement. I think you have to pause this video. Think about it. First, you're gonna copy that. Give your time to copy that. When you fully copy that, you take 5 minutes to think about the answer. No more, please. 5 minutes. Use previous video to give you a guide to answer this video. So you're gonna pause, and then you're gonna give me the final answer. Okay? All right. So you pause this video at this moment. You do your work, and then you're gonna give me the answer. So copy whatever you have here in the front of you, all inputs here, graph, and from A to B, then from B to C, and then you're gonna find the distance, then you're gonna find displacement. Okay? Okay. Remember to pause this video at this moment. Now I'll start to give you the answer. Okay. We'll try to answer it. So I assume that you passed and you give me now the final answer and you know the answer. What is that? So review your answer with me. Okay. So let's talk about distance first. Let's make it in purple. Here. Distance. Distance. You move from 0 to B and from O to B and then from B to C. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from O to B plus from B to C. Okay, from O to B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Plus from B to C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So distance will be 12, total distance. Now let's talk about displacement. Displacement. Okay, it will be in here. Displacement. So we move from O to B towards positive direction. So O to B plus with a direction, you see this arrow? Mention direction, but here is no direction. Okay. From O to B and then from B to C. From O to B, it's towards positive direction, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is positive 7. Okay, you could put it as 7, but I prefer to mention the sign. It's positive 7. And then from B to C, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's negative 5. Negative 5. So actually we add 7, positive 7 to negative 5 numerically. Positive 7 with negative 5, you combine it, equals positive 2. It's 2 or positive 2. And this is the final station for us here. At C, we stay at C. And the distance is 2 units to the right, which is positive 2. This is the displacement, 2 units to the right. Distance is 2, and to the right, all of that component give you example for displacement. So the final displacement is positive 2, the final position.